Welcome back to SketchUp Core. In our journey so far, we've explored layouts, carpentry, finishes, and many more. Today, we'll be adding to the final layers of our kitchen design. We'll be talking about the backsplash and lighting. These are elements that both set the tone and atmosphere of our kitchen space. Like the name implies, a backsplash isn't just protection from splashes. It's a focal design element. It connects our countertop to our carpentry. It adds texture and rhythm to our kitchen space. It also gives our kitchen space expression. So there are different options for our backsplash. We can use our tile backsplash, which can either be subway tiles, mosaics, or geometric patterns. They're usually timeless and versatile to use. We can also use our stone slab. That can be a continuation of our countertop. So it can either be marble or quartz for a more luxurious feeling. Then for some spaces, you can tend to use your glass or metal backsplash. So these are reflective finishes that can bounce light and add more modern characteristics to our kitchen space. So using SketchUp as our base for our kitchen design, you can test materials, patterns, and even growth colors of some of your tiles. You can get a good preview of these materials in your SketchUp software before you even get these tiles ever placed on site. So SketchUp gives you that advantage when it comes to kitchen designs. Lighting, like we discussed earlier, shapes the mood and usability of our kitchen. A well-designed kitchen space should have three different layers of light. We should have the ambient light, the task light, and the asset light. The ambient light is for general illumination. The task light focuses on work areas like our countertop and our islands or our sinks. And the asset lights can be under cabinet strip lights or spotlights that highlight textures and the backsplash or a display shelf in our kitchen space. So a combination of these lights doesn't just make your kitchen to be functional, but it also gives your kitchen an expression of how the space is intended to be used and was designed. The backsplash and lighting of our kitchen design must bring about harmony to our entire kitchen. A bold backsplash should be paired with a beautiful soft and neutral lighting, while sleek minimal tile should come alive with accent lighting. So this is creating balance for your kitchen space. It doesn't have to be too dramatic or feel lifeless when you're designing your kitchen space. So the difference between a room you use and a room you love is the detail. Backsplash and lighting may just seem like finishing touches, but they are the details that brings your kitchen to life. This wraps up our kitchen design series in SketchUp. We've moved from layers to carpentry, from finishes to lighting. And these are some of the tools you need to design your kitchen spaces, not just to be functional, but inspirational. I'll be dropping more videos on how I practically apply some of these principles and elements in my kitchen design. And I'll be having a tutorial on how to design your kitchen spaces for render and also how to design your kitchen spaces considering your cutout list in mind. Thanks for joining me here on SketchUp Core. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and always, every great design begins with the space you imagine. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.